So today we're going to go to Lytham Sport and Classic Motor Show. As you can see, it's a very good turnout. We'll walk around the car park, see if there's any spots, and then get to the show. As always, in the car park, there's always better spots than actual show itself. What a lovely car. You don't see many of them. .240Z. What a car. Brand new AMG next to it. Another nice little spot. Volvo and a reg fitting with it. Gives American vibes to me. You've got the chrome wheels. Tan interior, looks really nice. Got these like wings on the side. Really cool car. I know this isn't special, but I fucking love these cars. Whatever that badge is, looks like a royal badge to me. The chrome really works well on these old cars. Window surrounds, you've got your wheels, your roof racks. What a car. Old Ford there as well. Got your rally fog lights at the front. Plenty of old Rolls-Royce. Again, there's some interesting badges on the front of them.
Quite the driver.
Look at that, it's got windscreen wipers on its lights. It's a really unique colour for a Rolls-Royce. Proper car. A Silver Shadow. Mark II. So this is the start of the show. We'll see what we can find. Look how clean them sidewalls are.
It was easier just to get happy. Well, they say it was exist growing up, and you think you was already which is that way? There was a firm on the old Kent Road.
Very clean car. Fully restored by the looks of it.
Crazy world it is, you know, look at what things were and what things are now.
And that wide body as well.
It is what it is, though. My son's car is one of the best Mexico's in the country.
Look at that.
It's been to the
Soft
show
top.
here, and it's totally appeared. Another totally
Interior's mint. Not a mark on any seat.
Right, thanks a lot.
He just didn't razzmatazz. He does all the body repair.
Pair of TR6s. Now, I know it's a Jag, but I have no idea at all what model it is. Really cool wheels. Leather straps for your bonnet. Look at the fitment on that. Spade on side. Honestly, we've only just got into the car show and there is so many nice cars. The weather has turned out to be really good, so I think everyone's come down.
It sounds like it. Let's go. Well, he said Cortina, what I said then.
Fred brake. Say hello. Say hiya. This is cool, old VW. Spare wheel, fuel tank. Yeah. Interior's mint.
You go down to the centre.
This is just a bit different as well. Little dune buggy by the looks of it. Carbon everywhere. Company called Chaos Motorsports. How mean does that look? But that's an animal to drive. Besides the suspension on it.
Do you want to write your name on there? And then Steve will.
Oh, that's cool.
They'll be fine.
Full carbon dash.
Okay, well. Yeah, he's going to get that.
Even like the wheel arches are carbon.
330. Just there, the other side of the ambulance. No, the red one. Yeah. We've been a few times.
Oh, coming up to the interesting bit. Look at that. What a work of art.
Real old school, isn't it? Hey, Mog.
As how things used to be, it's all like a family,
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You know,
It isn't all like a family anymore, but yeah.
So this is a line of executive classic cars, I'd say. So you've got your Bentley, lovely Rolls-Royce,
They laid out, Chatsworth laid out all these long tables covered in Union flags, and it poured down. And the minute it just poured, and we all sat in our cars eating our
what a lineup. Bentleys and Rolls-Royce.
sad actually seeing all these tables just because everybody went round the house because the house was easy to do in there.
Hiya. So it's not just old ones, we do have this Rolls-Royce here as well. It is a Phantom, I'm pretty sure. One of the newer ones because the headlights at the front. Very, very beefy car. Huge. It's a very, very long car. It's just the small details on these that are so amazing. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's all tan interior, all beautiful wood dash.
not made for any individual person.
This looks like it's one of the star of the shows. That's interesting. You've got your fog lights on your arches. Pinstripes going all the way down as well. What a car.
Which we're not anymore.
It's just tiny, isn't it?
Yeah.
What a turnout. So the weather wasn't meant to be great, but It's turned out amazing. Made for the Royal Marines.
Driving, no?
What a lovely green. Look at that, that's different. Front windshield opens.
What's going on with
It just carries on. There's cars everywhere. Still got his tax disc in. Now that's cool. Something different, not just about the cars.
Older restoration. Yeah, they need that. You can get them all right.
What a car.
How far away are you?
Hey mate, you alright? Got it imported yourself? Have you had it imported yourself? No.
Came with an order.
What a car. Show you the back of this wide body R8 that we've just seen. What a car. All that's carbon fibre. Exposed engine bay looks absolutely amazing. The body kit's surprisingly well done as well. You get a lot of shoddy ones. Seems to be very clean. And then deep dish wheels as well look amazing. What a car. It's on air as well. You can see how low it is. Manual. What a car. All these cars have the tax disc still in them. This is something slightly different. This car is spotless. Looks like he's polished his wheels. Look at that engine bay.
It was a nice car to drive. The handled well.
Very cool livery.
Held the road well. It was just a nice car to drive. You know, I just liked it. Spent a lot of time on it. It's smart, so
Well, for a very old car, looks very sporty. It's definitely been resprayed quite recently, that car. Paintwork on it is immaculate. Nice blue seats as well. It's like an old rally car. Got your names on it and your rally number there. It's quite nice deep dish rims as well. The thing's been built from the ground up, this you can tell. Lovely condition. Sorry mate, I didn't see you there. Tax this from 79.
in fact, I have to go back and get it all sorted out, do it properly.
Was it the same one that you went on initially? No. The same company?
Well, you can't really miss this one. What a car. Fully redone interior. That's cool on the roof. And again, you've got that little model. Quite a lot of cars have got that I've seen. It's a nice little touch, having a little model of your car. radio up there as well.
All wings was off. He was in the stable. And I went, where's the rest of the bits? How are you, Dave?
Oh wow.
And this came from right to the room.
Whole airbrushed, I think.
Look at the picture. It was a 3 inch and a quarter chassis, front to back.
So this is special for two reasons. The reg actually fits to that car.
Oh yeah, he's probably
Everyone says that. Yeah. Oh, what a lovely car. So, got a bit of detail about it. That's really impressive. Dog set in it as well. What a car. So again, quite a cool reg.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. What are you doing?
Next to the other one.
You're relaxing in that, isn't it?
Hiya.
You pull all right in one of these, wouldn't you?
I would.
When they were filming Bangers in Canada, and I said to the guy, I said, you know what, I said, when I was 16 and we used to swim, the whole plastic got that heat.
So this is an owner's club. All in great condition. It's great when these cars have history to them. You can see what shows they've been to, what magazines they've been in. As I was saying before, a lot of them have like models, replicas in there as well. It's a really cool touch. Like this one. Won a few magazines, won a few awards.
Yeah, but it took hours to get home. Yeah, it's cost effective time.
Ford's always had the best clubs for some reason. No, that's cool. That's not a Ford. Lovely soft tops. All original interior, very clean. What a cool little car. Got a line up of Mustangs.
Remember Ken having these, didn't you?
Yeah.
These look great.
This one's got eyes like cars.
Hey, that on that one. Oh, Heather.
This one's won quite a lot of awards.
Yeah. Which one did you get last year?
Got 8 stone chips in front of that bumper.
Polished to an inch of its life. Looks lovely. Look at them wheels, so shiny.
I went to the motor show in Birmingham, put my TVR in there. So somebody will come and detail it tomorrow. It takes 46 hours detailing the car for you to make it.
Flashing lights. So this is the TVR section. Plenty of them. Very quirky cars. You don't see a lot of them at all. Nice interior as well.
Last week down at
Getting a full TVR lineup. Very shiny.
Gold's bigger than Annie. Gold's bigger than her.
I didn't ask whether it's a house or a house.
So this is just a little separate section. I'm guessing most of it is Fords. Them are nice wheels. Mark II RS200 50th anniversary edition. What a car. Stop and read it if you want. Engine bay is literally mint. Got a speck of dust on it.
Oh yeah, Rivington. Could say Rivington.
This yours?
Yeah, it is.
Lovely car. How long have you had it?
6 years.
6. Have you done it up yourself or?
No, it was got the bolt rest going 2011.